term dinoflagellate translates from Greek and Latin to whirling flagella. This name can be attributed to the two flagella of differing functions that are contained within the structure of this protist. The flagellum protruding from the back of the dinoflagellate serves to propel the organism forward, while the other ribbon-like flagellum through the center of the organism allows it to turn and maneuver. Some forms of dinoflagellates are considered to be thecate, which means they possess a wall made up of cellulose plates, also known as thecal plates, that serve as armor. The nucleus of dinoflagellates are very unique in that they have more DNA than other eukaryotes, so much so that the nucleus often fills half the volume of the cell.
Dinoflagellates can be found in most aquatic environments in both freshwater and saltwater. Higher concentrations of the organism, specifically in the form of phytoplankton, can be found congregating near temperate coast. Some dinoflagellates, called benthos, often inhabit underwater sediments such as sand.
Dinoflagellates usually reproduce asexually, where the parent cell undergoes mitosis, creating two identical daughter cells. In order for the dinoflagellates to continue reproducing asexually, the conditions must be right. There must be enough light and enough nutrients in their environment. When these conditions are not met, they begin to reproduce sexually, where two haploid gamete cells fuse to form a diploid zygote, which then undergoes meiosis.
The most dramatic effect of dinoflagellates on their environment occurs in coastal waters during warmer seasons. At this time, the surface plankton are bathed in nutrients from the bottom of the ocean. This surplus of nutrients triggers a bloom of photosynthetic dinoflagellates, whose population density may jump to more than 20 million per liter. This high density causes the water to turn red and is called a red tide. This bloom produces neurotoxins, which injure the marine life that feed on the dinoflagellates. This red tide may result in the death of many sea creatures, and if any fish containing these toxins are consumed by humans, those humans may end up severely ill or even dead.
The most common genus of dinoflagellates that causes those toxic red tides is actually an algae known as Gonyolix. Though the potential harmfulness of dinoflagellates is severe, they do have a bit of a helpful side when it comes to their symbiotic relationship with coral. These dinoflagellates are called zooxanthellae, and they provide food to the coral in which they reside, causing the construction of coral reefs to occur much faster than it would without them.